Hello guys, mga kababayan. Another Filipino just made international judges emotional. And this time, even Simon Cowell himself could not resist pressing that golden buzzer. And honestly, this is one of those auditions na habang pinapanood mo, ramdam mo agad na may mangyayari. So, the contestant is Matty Jonyosa or Matty J, 27 years old, Filipino, currently working part time as a waiter in Glasgow. And before he even started singing, his story already hit hard. Imagine this: you leave your country, you work abroad, you carry all disappointments with you, and then finally one day you stand on one of the biggest stages in the world to prove something, not just to others, but to yourself. That line really stayed with me when he said he wanted closure because he always thought of himself as a singing competition loser. Ang sakit nun. Because I think maraming Pilipino ang makaka-relate doon, especially those who keep trying kahit ilang beses nang natalo. But when he started singing Purple Rain, wow! No warm-up, no hesitation, diretsong powerful agad. And you know what made it even more special? Hindi lang boses ang narinig ng audience. They felt his hunger, his sincerity, in that moment na parang buong buhay niya nandoon sa performance. That's why the audience immediately stood up. And when people started shouting, "Press that gold," alam mo nang iba na talaga. Now, this part, when Simon said, "This, I think, is the biggest reaction we had from everyone." That's huge because Simon does not easily get emotionally carried away. Pero this time, kitang-kita mo, he was genuinely impressed. And then boom, golden buzzer. Honestly, when Simon stood up and hugged Mati, that moment felt very human. Hindi siya scripted feeling. It felt like one person recognizing another person's years of silent struggle. And maybe that's why maraming Pilipino ang emotional ngayon. Because this is not just another audition. This is one more reminder that Filipino talent is world-class. Kahit saan dalhin, from local losses to international standing ovation, that journey alone deserves respect. And now, even Filipino artists like Gary Valenciano and others are showing support. Kasi honestly, moments like this unite everyone. Kapag may Pinoy na umaangat globally, parang lahat tayo may shared pride. But real talk, do you think this is already finals level performance, or do you think Matty still has something even bigger to show? Because if this is just the audition, medyo delikado na sa competition ng kalaban. Comment below, golden buzzer worthy pa talaga for you?